Instagram upload your verification selfie, or Instagram upload your verification ID. Problem solved. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can upload your verification selfie or verification ID. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, first of all, make sure that your Instagram app is updated on Play Store or App Store. Okay, let me just see. Check here. You can see you'll get this type of update button. Simply click on update and then make sure to update your Instagram. After this, just open the Instagram app here. Okay, and then click on the profile icon. Go to these 3 days on the top right corner, and then here you'll be able to see this type of interface here. Here you can see on the top account center. Simply click on account center. Now here you can see the the first option, password and security. Simply click on password and security. Here you can see verification selfie. Simply click on verification selfie. Now here you have to select your name, and then it will redirect you to this page here. Sometimes it may ask the verification code from your email ID, but now it's not asking. Sometimes it might ask. So now here you can see update selfie. Simply click on update selfie, click on next option, start selfie. Left, right, left, up, left. You can see it's uploading, so just hold on for a few seconds. It depends upon the network. Until that, you can please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon, and also please comment me down below that you have done the selfie verification or not. You can see here verification selfie self. So I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.